How to make turbulent fade text effect in Premiere Pro. With the Type tool, click on the preview window and type your text. Then with the Selection tool, adjust the size of the text and change other properties of the text based on your needs in the Essential Graphics panel. Also, click on these two buttons to center the text horizontally and vertically. Now in the Effects panel, search for Turbulent Displace and add it to the text layer. With the text layer selected, open up Effect Controls panel and move the playhead to the start. Set amount to 0 and size to 2 and click on the stopwatch next to amount, size, complexity and evolution to create starting keyframes. Move the playhead around 2 seconds forward and set amount to 200, size to 50, complexity to 10, and evolution to 10x. This will create 4 secondary keyframes. Now we have this nice effect. With this right arrow button, go to the last keyframe. Hold down the Shift key and press the left arrow key 3 times to go backward 15 frames. Then scroll down and click on Stopwatch next to Opacity to create a starting keyframe. Again, move the playhead to the last keyframe and set opacity to 0 to create the second keyframe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.